Welcome my dear to my episode number 42. Today I will show you cotton, khadi and linen, mainly with ajrak prints and fewer dabu prints also. These all are authentic, organic and original. All are hand printed. Colors all are of natural products. No chemical has been used for these sarees. Absolutely eco-friendly. Let's start the display. I am starting with cotton ajrak. One thing that by mistake we have used these silk mark tags, but this no one is with silk, all are cotton. So please, I am apologetic for that, but by mistake it has been done. So don't expect these are silk. It is a blouse piece, polka dot, beautiful color combination. My mask is doing problem. Typical ajrak print. This is a beautiful gorgeous pallu and this is a sari with contrast print blouse piece. Just a minute. What is the price? 3250 it is. It is cotton ajrak. This is a blouse piece and beautiful color combination. So soft. This is a pallu. Price is same, 3250. Nice yellow. This yellow you will not get with any other. I am getting the aroma of turmeric when I am opening it. This is a blouse piece. All are natural colored. Beautiful combination. Green color with leaf. Yeah. Different flowers has been used for red, orange. Another yellow saree. The prints are different. This is a blouse piece. Beautiful leaf designs on yellow with the green, and this is a blouse piece, pallu, sorry. It has been dyed with the turmeric water. This is a blouse piece. Black, red, grey. Very colorful, but not very bright, muted one. This is a pallu. Now it is on black. Just a minute, it is not, it is khadi. Yeah, the filling is different, beautiful, much heavier than the that cotton. Beautiful weaving. Just see the print, multicolored, much more heavy saree, and when you will wear it, the fall, everything will be better. And this will be the pallu. You can use any contrast color blouse with it, which colors has been used here, any plain colored. The price is 4550. Khadi Ajrak. Authentic Ajrak. Ajrak from Gujarat. This is the blouse piece. Wow, so nice print. And this is the pallu. Ajrak on tussar, it will be very beautiful. It is 4550. And khadi also, it is very nice. Whole year, in any climate, anything, you can wear this kind of sarees. This is a blouse piece. Small prints on green. It is orange prints, red also there. The pallu is superb. This is the pallu. $4550. It is khadi with zari border. This is the blouse piece. So for the zari border it is little more nice, little more classy it is. On blue is blue, brown, black has been used for the print. It is 4750. 200 more for the this zari border. This is the blouse piece. And this is the pallu. Price is same, 4750 with the zari border. It is also with zari border on black. This is the blouse piece. Very soothing, very comfortable, cool materials these all are. So, and each and every piece I am displaying, wearing, so you can see it that what is the effect of the quality. Each piece is beautiful and exclusive, unique. It is also the same priced, 4750. It is linen ajrak. This is the blouse piece. This grayish blue color is so nice. This kind of natural color, with this natural color only you will get this kind of unique colors. Oh, big pallu. Yeah, this is a and as it is linen, much more comfortable, lightweight little bit than the khadi. It is 5950. Another piece with linen ajrak. This is the blouse piece. Very different color, brown and orange has been combined. A touch of black obviously would be there. Black, off-white. This is a pallu. Ajrak print on linen. 5950. These again I am repeating, these are all are cotton, but the tag, it is not the silk mark, you don't see the silk mark, it is for the tag only, tag purpose it is. price tag. This is the blouse piece. It is khadi dabbu. Ajrak we have done with the ajrak. Now it is dabbu print, Rajasthan. It is khadi dabbu 3950. So nice combination. Beautiful pallu, khadi dabbu. It is 3950. It is linen dabbu. I have only two pieces with the dabbu print. One is with khadi and another with linen. Mostly wear ajrak. This is the blouse piece. Combination is very nice. Navy blue and green. The price is 5150. Now I have 4 pieces of indigo prints on khadi. Indigos are very much in demand. It is the blouse piece. Border is there. Plain blouse piece has been given here. Beautiful leaf motifs, only off-white. All are indigo and off-white. So far I was showing you the multicolored things. Now it is indigo special. The price is 4550. This indigo 4 are 4550. All are. All are plain blouse with a border and with off-white only. Indigos are like that, only indigo prints are. It is also leaf motif. Yeah. This is a pallu. Next it is also leaf. This is the blouse piece, plain with a border. Yeah, this is a Each print is so nice, so soothing. Yeah. This is a pallu. Same priced 4550. It is not leaf, it is a paisley work, paisley print. The material all are khadi. Everything is hand woven, hand printed, organic color. This is the pallu. Last two pieces are little different. It is handloom weaved design, no print. Here it is weaving only. It is from, this is a blouse piece. It is Bengal special, beautiful two sarees. The border is with fish motifs all over. Contrast blouse. These all are weaved one. Everything is with weaving. All designs are with weaving. It is our own Bengal handloom. This is a pallu and the whole saree. The blouse is red. $4950. The similar kind, little different in design. The grey colored blouse. Same way, here it is not with fish, only the geometrical motifs, but all are with weaving. You can wear red blouse also. This is the pallu. Beautiful weaved pallu. The whole saree. So dear, display is over. Today's products are a little different from my previous displayed products. These are all are single pieced and no duplicate second piece is possible. So don't delay. Namaskar.